The Transport Authority has a new managing director. After much controversy, Ralston Smith will replace Dr. Willard Hilton, whose contract expired last year. Transport Minister Audley Shaw and the board of the Transport Authority had been locked in a dispute over who should be appointed to the post. Mr. Shaw had reportedly requested that the entity's General Manager of Operations, Ronald Anderson, be appointed from a shortlist of 8 prospects, despite obtaining a score that was lower than 4 of the other candidates who hold senior management positions at the Transport Authority. Speaking on Radio Jamaica's Hotline program today, Permanent Secretary in the Transport Ministry Dr. Alwyn Hales admitted that the board and Minister Shaw were not in agreement over the pick.
By way of a letter that was sent by the chairman to the minister, I recognize that somebody was recommended by the minister, which on the recruitment exercise did not perform up to the standard required based on the assessment of the panelists. And the chairman advised the minister that beginning today, he is putting a new managing director in place. So I wrote a letter to the chairman, just advising him of the process. And of that I would like, as the accounting officer and the permanent secretary, to just review the process